Solve sine 2x plus cos x equals 0. There's not much I can do there except that I know that this is a double angle formula. Sine of 2x can be written out as 2 sine x cosine x. And so I could just keep writing that guy out as normal, and now I can do a little bit more. So I have 2 sine cos x plus cos x. I could rip out a cos x. So let's do that. That leaves us with 2 sine x plus 1 equals 0. Zero product property says take each of these guys, set them equal to 0. So cosine of x equals 0. And 2 sine x plus 1 equals 0. Let's scooch you over, because right away I can inverse cosine both sides, like that. And what the inverse cosine of 0 is asking us is what angle measurement on the unit circle gives us an x value, because cosine is x. What angle measurement on the unit circle gives us a x value of 0? All right, well, if I draw a quick unit circle over here, draw a circle right there, x value of 0 lives right there at 0, 1, and right down there at 0, -1. So that happens at pi over 2 and 3 pi over 2. So x is going to equal pi over 2 and 3 pi over 2, like that. Now we have this guy to deal with, so we're going to subtract 1, we're going to subtract 1, cross you out. 2 sine x equals -1. Divide everything by 2. Divide by 2. Sine x is -1/2. Now let's scooch you over a little bit, because the next step is going to be inverse sining both sides. So inverse sine, inverse sine. And the inverse sine of -1/2 is asking what angle measurement on the unit circle gives us a y value, because sine is y, of -1/2. So I draw myself a unit circle over here. Okay, y is negative on the bottom, and when it's negative, when y is -1/2, it's going to be the angles closest to the x-axis. Okay, at the points √3/2, -1/2, and -√3/2, -1/2. Those angle measurements are 7 pi over 6 and 11 pi over 6. So x is going to equal, in this case, 7 pi over 6 and 11 pi over 6. So writing out our 4 solutions in order, we have x equals pi over 2, 7 pi over 6, 3 pi over 2, 11 pi over 6. Well, my answers are not written in order, but you know what? That's all right. We did it. We did it. We did it.